So another day, another tour, another train. We're in Salzburg again, and we're going to visit the ice caves. So to visit the ice caves, you don't have to go to Iceland as it appears, because in Salzburg there are some. And yeah, we're pretty excited about that. The trip to the venue seems to be a bit complicated, so I'm not sure how much time in total it will take, because we'll need to go by train to one place and then go a little bit on foot and then take a bus and then go a little bit on foot and then take something else. So we'll see how much time we need. As usual, it takes some time to reach the place. The train ride was about half an hour to the village from where the shuttle bus departs. There is also a parking lot in case you want to come by car. Bus to the cave. Werfen in Austria is primarily known for the largest ice cave in the world. But it's also famous for its castle, a medieval fortress that overlooks the town. Visitors can enjoy guided tours, falconry demonstrations, and panoramic views of the surrounding Alps. So we came to Werfen. It's right there. And we need to go which way? Is it like the right way? Okay, turn right and go straight when you see this beautiful castle. And here there is a bus to the caves. It says shuttle bus to the ice caves, and you can buy the ticket directly there, somewhere there, or from the driver. And it was €9 per person, both ways. So yeah, it goes every 25 minutes approximately. There is no timetable, so you'll need to ask. The first hike of the day. And there is where the way continues. So basically we had to hike a bit to reach the first station. You should reach it within the given time slot so that your ticket is still valid. After the station there are two ways up. You can either take a panoramic way, which takes a bit longer, or take a shortcut in a tunnel. And from there you should take a cable car. In fact, it's one of the steepest cable cars in Austria. But apparently there is also an option of an exposed mountain climb if you feel up to it. And after this long way, here it is, the largest ice cave in the world. It spans over 42 kilometers, though only the first kilometer is filled with ice formations. The rest of the cave consists of impressive limestone structures. There are usually group tours conducted in German and English. It's also worth mentioning that you can visit the ice cave starting from May until the end of October. Sturdy shoes and warm clothing are recommended. Even in summer, the temperature is usually below 0 degrees. When you visit the cave, you will go up of total 134 meters in altitude. This corresponds to climbing the stairs of a 40-story high-rise building. The activity is not recommended for people with limited physical mobility. Returning to the cave, there you will find enormous ice formations including frozen waterfalls, pillars, and intricate sculptures that seem otherworldly. The most famous formation is the Heimer's Castle, a large ice structure near the entrance of the cave. The ice formations inside the cave were created by the freezing of water that seeps into the cave and the unique air currents that cause the cooling and freezing of this water. The ice in the cave changes with the seasons. During spring and early summer, melting snow and water seep into the cave and cold air inside freezes it, adding to the ice formations. Guided tours inside the cave are done with the help of handheld carbide lamps provided to visitors. This creates an atmospheric and dramatic experience as the ice formations are illuminated in the dim light. We survived the ice caves. They were icy. Icy, very icy.
Icy.
Yes, very cold. So take all the clothes you have because it was 0 degrees Celsius.
And windy.
And windy, yes, it was really windy. And maybe like some gloves or something because there are like a lot of steps and you might want to hold. The whole tour took us around 70 minutes. After a visit, you can enjoy a hike to the cable car station, have a meal in the hut, or even visit the castle town in Werfen. It's important to remember that the last bus from the caves departs at 5:30. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.